EveryDollar is a budgeting app designed to help you manage your finances, track expenses, and stick to a budget. Here's how to use it effectively. Download and set up. Download the EveryDollar app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account by signing up with your email or through a social login. The app will prompt you to set up a budget, which will be the foundation for managing your finances. Create your monthly budget. EveryDollar's budgeting system is based on zero-based budgeting, meaning every dollar you earn is assigned a category. Start by entering your monthly income and setting up expense categories like rent, groceries, savings, and entertainment. Link your bank account. If you would like to track your spending automatically, you can link your bank accounts and credit cards to EveryDollar. This feature requires a paid version, EveryDollar Plus, and automatically imports your transactions for easier tracking. Track expenses. As you spend, manually enter your transactions into the app or use the bank sync feature to track your expenses. Each expense will be categorized, helping you stay within your budget. Monitor and adjust. Review your progress throughout the month. If you overspend in one category, you can move funds from other areas to balance things out.